Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, our workout is tempo run. So we will be doing 20 minutes easy run and then 4 sets of 2 kilometers at a specific pace and then 1 minute rest. So we have to do that 4 sets. Let's go. I am using my Nike Vaporfly 4. Super comfy, super responsive. Let's go. Faster, faster guys. Yalla. First set done. 2 kilometers at 5:30, 5:45 or even 6. Pagod guys. Pero yung program ko originally is 6:50 pace. Pero I'm trying na mag 6:15, 6:30, 5:45. So magre-rest tayo ng for about 1 minute. And then let's start another rep. Let's go. So andito tayo ngayon sa creek guys. Ayan. So dagat na yun dyan. So rest lang tayo ng 1 minute. Second set is done guys. 7:20. Hindi kaya ng 6:55 na. So total 4K. So one more set tayo. Then rest na tayo. Let's go. 1K is done. 5:53. One more K. Then we're done. Let's go. Kaya pa. Diyan lang tayo sa roundabout. Then balik na. Let's go guys. One more rep. Woo! Let's go. Okay guys, so all set na. Pahinga na tayo. So magko-cool down na. See you guys.
Sumasabay siya. Tiga-tiga siya? Oo, kasama. Siya yung inaayon nila.
Good job!
Hindi, wala na eh. Kitang-kita.
Chidi!
May galit pa kayo sa isa't isa?
Wala yung dalawa.
Hindi, sabayan ko kasi masakit yung ano dito. No? Yung humihinto-hinto siya.
Palakasin yung ano, yung boots niya.
Walang pala ka kanina, pre ah.